Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of installing a bathroom vanity. Whether you're giving your bathroom a full makeover or just updating the vanity, this is a project you can tackle with confidence. I'll also share some bonus tips to make the installation smoother and stress-free. So, let's get started. Step 1. Tools and materials. A drill and screwdriver. A level, measuring tape, plumber's tape, a caulk gun with silicone sealant, a bucket and sponge for any spills. Step 2. Prepping the space. Before installing the new vanity, we need to remove the old one. Start by shutting off the water supply. Use the bucket to catch any water as you disconnect the supply lines and drain. Unscrew the vanity from the wall and carefully remove it. Patch up any wall damage and clean the area before moving on. Step 3. Installing the vanity. Now for the fun part, installing the new vanity. Place it in position and use your level to ensure it's perfectly aligned. Mark the screw holes on the wall, drill pilot holes into the wall studs, then secure the vanity with screws. If there are no studs, use wall anchors for extra stability. Step 4. Connecting the plumbing. Next, reconnect your plumbing. Attach the water supply lines and the P-trap. Make sure everything is snug, but don't over-tighten, as that could cause leaks. Turn the water back on and test for leaks. If you spot any, tighten the connections a little more. Step 5. Installing the sink and finishing touches. Now, secure the sink to the vanity by applying a bead of silicone caulk around the edges. Gently place the sink on top and press down firmly. Seal the edges with caulk to prevent water from getting underneath. Smooth it out with your finger or a caulking tool. Finally, install the faucet and any drawer pulls or handles to complete the look. And there you have it, a brand new bathroom vanity installed like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and let us know in the comments what project you'd like us to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and happy renovating!